Hi guys, I am Sonal and today I am sharing my 10 minutes high protein bean salad recipe. This is a phenomenal salad, one I will make again and again. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I love this salad. It's fresh, delicious and totally make ahead. So feel free to prep this bad boy the night before and pack it along in lunches the next day if you would like. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. Bye!